Welcome to WhatsApp tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about what you can do with Sandbox WhatsApp Business API. To first understand what is Sandbox phone number, you must understand the difference between a live phone number and a Sandbox phone number. A live phone number has all the features of WhatsApp Business API, but a trial Sandbox phone number has limited functions. If your Facebook Business Manager is not verified, or your WhatsApp business account has not yet passed the WhatsApp commerce policy check, or your display name has not yet been approved, then your phone number is a Sandbox phone number. Moreover, this will be the first number that is added to your WhatsApp business account. For Sandbox phone number, you only have 30-day period. After that, your Sandbox phone number will no longer work. Now I'm going to talk about what you can do with a Sandbox number. For a Sandbox number, you can immediately kickstart and use it after you have finished the embedded sign-up. So in here, you will see that there are two message types that you can send out. The first one is notifications, which is a one-way message. You can consider it as like a push notification for an appointment reminder or a delivery confirmation. These messages will be limited to WhatsApp-defined templates. So in the normal Sandbox experience, you can send to 2 separate phone numbers with 10 messages per day for the notification message. For customer care messages, which is a two-way conversation between your business and the customer, such as product questions or FAQs, for the normal Sandbox experience, which is the trial experience, you can only send to 10 separate phone numbers, but there is no daily message limit. So how do you get an expanded trial experience? So in order to do that, you need to upload official documents to verify your business during the Facebook Manager verification process. Once you have done that and verified, you will get an expanded trial experience. Note that you are still in the Sandbox mode, but this is just an upgraded version of a Sandbox mode. For this, for notifications, it will be the same as the trial experience. But for the customer care, you will be expanded to 1,500 conversations. Conversation is defined by a 24-hour messaging window with a given phone number. So this is what you can do with Sandbox WhatsApp. Hope you have some insight gained. If you have more questions or want to learn more about our WhatsApp platform, please feel free to contact us on the website or watch more videos in the playlist. Thank you and have a nice day.